to help stay on track. Should a police officer wearing a body camera be allowed to view the footage before writing their report? The San Diego lawmaker says no. Peggy Pico has an update on body cam regulations.
Right now, officers in 3 police departments in San Diego County wear body cameras, and at least 4 more local police departments say they'll be adding them soon. Meanwhile, San Diego Assemblywoman Shirley Weber introduced AB 66, a bill that would regulate how police use body cameras. Joining me with current standards and concerns are San Diego Police Chief Shelley Zimmerman and Kellen Rusignello, ACLU attorney for San Diego and Imperial counties. And Chief Zimmerman, currently there are 600 officers at the San Diego Police Department who wear body cameras. Do the cameras record automatically, or are they manually turned on and off?
Well, what happens is that they're in a buffering mode, so they're always on, but recording over itself every 30 seconds. That would be video only. And then once the officer hits the record button, it loops back those first 30 seconds and then continues on with video and audio.
And what's the guidelines as to when they hit that record button?
Our policy is that it's for enforcement contacts.
Okay, so if somebody's pulled over or...
Exactly. So if it's an arrest, a detention, a field investigation, a vehicle stop, then the camera will be on.
Okay, and Assemblywoman Weber, her bill seeks to regulate when and who can view police video. What are the policies right now at the San Diego Police Department on that?
You know, first, we're the largest city in the United States that have deployed 600 body cameras. So we have more body cameras as the 8th largest city than any of the other cities actually above us combined. And our policy is that, and it's also not just our policy, but it's also the Department of Justice policy for best practice, is that the officers do have an ability to view the video before writing the report. And that's to make sure that we write the most accurate report.
Can officers edit the video?
They cannot edit the video.
Okay. Kellen, what are your concerns with when and who views this footage captured by police cameras?
Sure. The concerns about an officer being able to review the video of an incident that they're involved in, maybe a critical incident like an officer-involved shooting, is we want to make sure that we're getting accurate accounts of what happened, that it's being that we're holding the people accountable for their actions, and that it's being portrayed as fair. So accuracy, a person that reviews their video likely will latch onto things that they see in the video and forget things that they would have remembered if they had wrote the report beforehand. And we want to make sure that we include that evidence as part of it as well. We also want to make sure that this is, we're being holding people accountable. So if somebody watches a video before they write their statement, they have the opportunity to change their story to match the video. And that's something that we want to avoid.
You're talking police officers.
Exactly. So police officer, they might say, if they know that they're not going to have the chance to avoid it, or not have the chance to watch the video before, they have the incentive to write down everything exactly as they remember it as it happened. Otherwise, they would be able to watch the video and kind of match their facts.
And what about for the people in the video, the defendants? Why would it be an issue there?
Well, this is an issue of fairness. So law enforcement for a long time has used the technique where they would interview a person and get their statement prior to showing them any other evidence, whether that's audio or video. And that's just to make sure that you can corroborate their story against existing evidence. This would allow the officer special treatment and would portray unfairness for the general public to not be able to view the video where...
Well, let me ask the chief about that. So if you're arrested, can you see your video?
You know, first of all, I disagree with Kellen here, is that it's critically important that our officers have the ability to view the video before that they write the reports. You know, we've embraced this technology, and it's all about doing our jobs better. Early in my career, I've been on them more than 30 years, we didn't necessarily have a tape recorder, and now you can have a tape recorder where you can get the most accurate statement of an individual. And so this technology of body-worn cameras just assists us to do our job better. And we're seeking the truth, and we want to have the most accurate report, which is critically important for public safety.
And just very briefly, why can't the defendant, let's say who's arrested, why can't they see their video before they write their statement?
The individual that's arrested, they don't have to make a statement. They're given their Miranda rights, and they're under no obligation to give a statement. But the officer does have to write their police report.
Okay. And let me ask you this, Kellen. What regulations or policy, in light of this bill on the table here, would you like to see change as far as how viewing or how this footage is used?
Well, we support AB 66 and Dr. Weber's bill. We would like to see the policy include that an officer cannot review their video in incidents where they're involved in a critical incident, like a shooting or something like that. They should be able to review it after they submit their initial written report, and maybe file an amended report after they see the video.
I see. And we may have one quick answer for you on this one. How are you evaluating the results of this so far?
You know, we did our first analysis on it, and it's been very favorable. Our complaints are down, our allegations are down, contained within those complaints, and our use of force is also down. And so very favorable early analysis of this, and continue with this program.
All right, Police Chief Shelley Zimmerman and Kellen Rusaniello, thank you so much.
Thank you.